I'm standing here holding the doorbell, which I removed off of the wall because it just started ringing all of a sudden uncontrollably. Now that I'm videoing it, here it comes. You see that?
And it does it when you say his name too.
Yeah, whenever I say Earl's name, it rings. Because today it marks the 5th year that Earl passed on this day, June the 25th in 2010. And I was just on my Facebook typing my tribute homage status to Lil Earl, and all of a sudden the doorbell just started ringing uncontrollably. I guess I'm gonna hang it back up here. I'm probably gonna take the battery out.
That is crazy.
I'm probably gonna take the battery out. Because Earl tripping right now. And Lanique is over there videoing too.